Guys, and welcome back. Today I don't even know how today's going to shape out. I'm off today and I have a promotional video to shoot, but I don't even know how I want to go about it. I'm waiting for inspiration because the initial plan that I had, look, let me show you. The initial plan I had was to use this rose that I plucked from somewhere. All the pink ones are gone because I've been procrastinating, and this red one is live, it's leaking away. I hear it in YOLO, so I don't even know. The petals are starting to wither, you know. Think you see, literally falling apart. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but I just want to get some chores done, because if I don't do it today, I'm back into work tomorrow, and I don't know, there's just a lot backlog of things to do. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and remember to click on that bell notification icon. If you have not joined the Telegram group, you might want to check it out. The link will be in the description box below. Let me get straight into the functions and the duties of the day, and I will see you as time progresses. See, this is just pimple. It is well. So special shout out to Buriburi for sponsoring this segment of the video. They sent me these amazing colors, and that is what we're going to be reviewing in this section. Alright, so for the details of the products that I was sent, you will find them in the description box, as long with the links to their website for you to also purchase your own nail gel sets on their website. Alright, so these are the amazing colors, and this is the next generation of a new nail polish that is on the market now. It also comes with an amazing brush, and this is the color I'm going to be applying today. Alright, so the application of this nail gel is so seamless. You can control how thick, how thin you want your nail polish to be, and that is it, guys. You guys see, today I'm going to work, and I intend to resign today. Alright, so there's a backstory to all of these things that I'm saying, and there'll be a separate vlog or a separate video where I explain, or I tell you why. Oh yes, I'm tendering my resignation today, and I'm giving my notice to my boss, and yeah. But there will be a separate video to explain why, and to just give you guys the back gist, and to just for you to understand why, child. So yeah, you guys, some just happen right now. I'll just gingerly on my bed editing video. Please, anytime you see these glasses, just know that I'm editing video. It's a blue blocker. It's not recommended. It's actually for my eyes, to protect my eyes. But that's besides the point. I was on my bed, and JJ me, my husband came to come and give me layer of, you guys, you know, in the last vlog or in the last video, I don't know, inshallah, one of the clips that you will see before this one, I told you guys I was resigning. And before I resigned, believe you me, I did not have confirmation that this job that I have gone to apply for, that I have gotten it was just a step of faith, because this job, I'm excited that it finally came through. See, you people, I've paid my dues. I'll explain in details. I've paid my dues. I deserve this job. Please, I deserve this job. You guys. Oh my God, I'm excited for this new opportunity. God truly does work in mysterious ways. And I'm grateful for the experience that I had with my previous employer. But you see, it's time to move on. It's time to advance into the kingdom. It's time to just see, you guys. It's just time for next levels. And I'm extremely happy that I got this job. Thank you, Jesus. Thanksgiving loading. But you know, you guys, I just had to check in and tell you the guys that things are about to change. I'm sorry, I see me in another dimension, but you know, when you have waited for something and you have prayed and it's finally happening, you guys, story is plenty. The story is very, very plenty, because this war, it's not a ordinary something. But God has been faithful, God has been merciful, and thank God I start with this new employer. You guys, what can I say? Be patient. Details are loading. The details are loading. All right, thank you guys for all the support. Please don't mind these stupid people that want to come and destroy my fine girlness. Please, you guys, I'm not even sure that I'm making sense right now, but the whole point of this video is that God has done something miraculous in my life. He has done something big, something huge has happened, and I'm very grateful. You guys, I'll catch you up later with the details. But just wanted to check in and say, yes, God has done something huge, and I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful. This is confirmation that this is my start date. I've signed contracts. God be praised. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, you see this place? This place is one of the places to come and get discounted furniture and things. Look inside, you see? Discounted furniture that are still very good. Like, still very good. You guys, welcome back to the channel. I will bring you here another time. In fact, this video is overdue. I'm going to take you around some of the thrift shops that are here in Darlington, and they're similar to other places and other states. You guys, I'm on my way to work, and I've just called like 4 or 5 people. I have friends that I have not called in God knows how long. I've missed birthdays. See, everything is just one count. But thank God, I have friends that understand, and nobody's holding it against me. They all understand, including family and friends. But then we try and we do what we can. All right, so today I'm on my way to work, and you see, this one that I'm going to. Are you people observing something of late? Have you been seeing some stupid pimples on my face? Some stupid and bastard pimples all over my face. You guys, I've been stressed. I've been stressed. You see this my work here? It's a lot. It's a lot. And thankfully, I don't know if I'm going to even share this information now, but then I've been vlogging or recording my transition from my current place of work to this other one that I'm about to start in a couple of days from now. And you guys, I cannot tell you how excited I am for this new job. See, details will come in a sit down video, because it's not the kind of video that I can shoot on the road. I need to get my points together in my head and find what I'm telling you people. So yes, you guys, I'm excited. Excited for this new role, because it's a step up from what I'm currently doing now. And no, you guys, it's not a senior care position. Although, geez, you guys want me to be spilling the beans from here, but no, you shall wait. Hold on, the gist is still sweet. It's coming.
Alexa, give me Papa Charge. Alexa, give me Papa Charge. Daniel.
Dad, let me help you.
I can't see cooking. Yeah. No. I don't want to.
Go and finish your food. Take it, Daniel. Don't worry. Go and finish your food. Voila, for who don't know how to use Alexa for this day and time. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry, so today I just finished work, and it is my last day at my, well, now former place of employment. So I stopped at store to pick up a few things, and I just got back home. All right, so I'm expecting an Amazon delivery, and I hope he gets here soon because I'm about to sleep. So yes, this is the end of one journey and yet the beginning of another journey. So I'll let you guys know when the delivery guy